Music. It has become quite a huge part of our life, and a lot of people all around the world love to listen to music all the time. But what if I told you that you can earn a lot of money just by listening to music? Would you believe me? Well, in today's video, I will show you a strategy that will help you earn a lot of money just by listening to music that you prefer. The best part is, this is 100% free and is available worldwide. You can get paid around $5 per video or song that you will listen to, and you can do this however much you like. But I encourage you guys to watch until the very end of this video because I will show you a bonus and a very critical step to help double or even triple your earnings. So if you are excited to learn this strategy, then stay tuned until the very end of this video. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said guys, let's jump straight into the video. Hey everyone! Welcome to another video. For today's video, we are going to talk about a specific website that will pay you just by listening to any music that you love. And take note guys, this is one of the most popular websites and softwares around the world. Hey everyone, welcome to another video. For today's video, we are going to talk about a specific website that will pay you just by listening to any music that you love. And take note guys, this is one of the most popular websites and softwares around the world. So we can see right here that on their website, it is available on the Apple or Google Play Store. So just choose what type of device you currently have and just download it instantly. Remember guys, watch this video all the way through as later I will guide you what type of music you will be listening to earn a lot of money. So stick with me. The name of this website or app is actually called Current.us. So when you see it in either the Play Store or App Store, it will look just like this. So make sure that you click this logo right here. We can see here that over 150,000 rated this app and they have a 4.7 star review. While on the Play Store, they have over 2 million reviews and have a 4.4 star review, which are both a huge number and proves to you that this app is basically legit. Amazing! If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button and comment down below what country you are watching this video from. This will help maintain my strategies be effective worldwide. I'm really excited to see them. Now, back on the video. So now, go back to Current and we can see right over here that they have over 100,000 radio stations. And one of these stations is YouTube. Basically, in listening music, you can do this either if you are online or not. Then all your accumulated points can then be redeemed and turned into money, just like that. Now, I want you to go on over here at music.youtube.com, which will redirect you to this page. So here we have a lot of recommended songs, recommended artists, and recommended playlist. If you utilize this website and combine it with listening to songs over on Current, you can earn a lot of easy passive income. Imagine just chilling and resting and enjoying music but getting paid in the process. Amazing, right? Let me show you how it's done. So this is one example of a playlist. In here, we can see that there are a lot of different songs which you can listen to. The beauty of having a playlist is that once you finish one song, it'll automatically play the next song. And as I said, every song you finish will earn you easy money. There is also a button here down below, which is the repeat button, which will repeat your playlist how many times you want and earn money over and over again. So for the first step is to queue a lot of songs, as you can see here on my playlist sample. For the next step, go on over back to music.youtube.com and click on Explore right here, which will bring you this page. So it will give you more songs, albums, genres, and even moods. This way, Current will pay you more when you play from Explore right here. So guys, YouTube won't actually pay us anything, but we are going to connect Current and YouTube together so you will earn a lot of money. For the next method, we will find a compilation of a ton of songs over on YouTube. So let's use this example right here. This is an 8-hour-long video of relaxing sleep music. So you can listen to this whenever you are resting, and if you are close to your bedtime, then you can sleep peacefully and still get paid. Amazing! Another tip that I can give to you is open up a lot of tabs at the same time and listen to those music all together to earn a lot of money. Just make sure all the videos you are listening to are very long videos, at least 1 hour long. Then what I want you to do is click on settings right here, set the playback speed to, let's say, 2. This will help you earn fast money as the videos will play a bit faster. You can also click on loop right here so that the video will automatically play on autopilot. Remember guys that you have to connect your YouTube radio station to the Current app. You can actually play them either from YouTube Music or from YouTube. You can do this on both your phone and your computer so you can earn easily. So the last step of this method involves adding an extension, which is known as YouTube Playback Speed Control. So just open your Chrome browser and add this as an extension. You can do this on your computer. This extension will help us earn a lot faster, as it will allow us to set a playback speed of 3 rather than only 2. This way, we can easily earn a lot of money in a short amount of time, just like that. And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your love and support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next Smart Ways to Make Money Online.